Lalela mntomnyama, listen to me and listen very carefully. Kontekuthiwa a 10-year gap. What I mean by that is that ngo-1980, stock market fell and they made millions isitha. Yes. It affected umhlaba wonke, but they made imali. Ngo-1990, they decided to end the apartheid. Sajabula sonke nomhlaba wajabula, but understand ukuthi they held back all the resources they benefited. Yes. Ngo-2000, ba-release amagama amathathu, u-H, u-I, and the other letter, and they control the supply and demand of imithi. Kuze kube imanje they are benefiting because who generates leyo mithi? Ibona. Understand ukuthi ngo-2010 into abayenza ukuthi bas-introduce to i-FIFA World Cup, not to benefit umuntu omnyama, but to benefit them. Yes. Ngo-2020 benzani bas-introduce to uCoco-19 sajova. Who made the long job? Ibona. Who controlled the demand ni supply? Ibona. And they made millions from that. Yes. Understand ukuthi seselelo 5 years manje ukuthi sifike ku-2030, and into engistressa kakhulu mina is that nami ngiyafuna lama million. I just don't know what's next. Yonke engistressa ukuthi I don't know what's next. Kodwa i-10-year gap exists, and i-10-year gap is serious because jalo mase kuphela u-10 years they make money. Benza something that will affect umhlaba wonke, but it makes them millions. Millions. Nami ngiyayifuna le mali. Nami ngiyayifuna ngeke. Bazokwenzani? We need to find out ukuthi yina abazoyenza. We need to.